So we're on lesson 10 today, Monday, January 30th, lesson 10, rectangles with side lengths. Okay, so what we got here, we've got a question. Find the unknown side length of the rectangle if the area is 11 meters squared. So here's our shape. So we've done some of these. We just kind of refresh our memory, so just make sure that we're actually understanding what we're doing here, okay? All right, so we know our formula for the area of a rectangle by your ACAP reference sheet and your math photo that you've been doing all year long. A equals base times height, or length times width. It's all the same. Okay, so we've got our dimensions. We understand the area is 11 meters squared from the shape and from the given. So 11 equals. Now, we don't want to put our units of measurements in the problem. We can put it at the bottom, but we're not going to put it during the problem, okay? So the area is 11. The base is 3 2/3. The unknown, which we're just going to mark that X. We like to do a variable there, okay? So X, as we've done before, okay? So we've got to tell ourselves or ask ourselves what we got to do to get X by itself. And we understand this right here is a one-step equation, which we've done all year long in the math folder also, okay? So what is stopping us from getting that X by itself? Well, 3 2/3 is, because it's right beside the variable. We need the variable by itself, okay? So we're going to divide that by 3 2/3. If you divide that side by 3 2/3, you're going to do the same thing to the other side, okay? Okay, so when we understand, we're going to do this calculation on the side here. So we got 11 divided by 3 2/3. Okay, so what you're going to have to do is change. You're going to change these to fractions. So 11 over 1. Any number over 1 is the whole number divided by. Okay, we can't do it like this. So what we're going to do is change it to an improper fraction. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11/3. Okay. Now, we got to divide this, which is actually multiplying the reciprocal of the second. So it's 11 over 1 times 3 over 11. We understand that these two right here will reduce, okay? Greatest common factor is 11, so we'll divide that by 11. Divide that by 11, that's 1. That's 1. So multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 over 1 is 3. So X is 3 meters. Okay? All right. Have any kind of questions that you have about this problem or others to group time when we come in today. We'll have about 10 minutes of work time or so, and then we will meet in groups.